What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Clout back at it again with another video. Man, I still ain't dropped these. I just made like long form videos since December 3rd. Today is December 4th, late at night. In 2 hours, it's about to be December 5th. I'm letting you all know this because you need to get hip to this fast if you live in an area similar to mine as far as weather conditions. Now, if you all don't know, on November 23rd, I ordered a Canada Goose jacket. The black one with the red, white, and blue label, size large. I paid $93 and some change for it, and it got here yesterday, which was December 3rd. So that's 10 days, including factoring in weekends and the holiday, which was Thanksgiving. So that was 10 days shipping total from November 23rd to December 3rd. The shipping was quick. When the jacket came in, I did a review video, which will drop before this video comes out, probably a day apart. As I told you all, I've been dropping short form content so my channel can grow. The jacket came in, I checked it out. It was great quality, everything was nice. Boom, listed it on OfferUp and Facebook Marketplace, and in less than 24 hours, the jacket was sold. I had the price listed at $375 and the buyer paid $350. We agreed on $350, and they reached out to me. Like, it was kind of weird. It was on Facebook Marketplace, but they reached out to me and they said that they would be able to meet in the morning and things like that. And I don't know, I was just busy the next morning. Like, the time that they wanted to meet at, I had another meetup going on, but the jacket, and I had already confirmed the other meetup, but the jacket meetup would be worth more than the other meetup. So I was like, okay, is there any way that I could meet you now? And this was around 8 p.m. And I let that person know, and they were like, you could drop the coat off with, I own a business, you could drop it off to my business and somebody there will pay for it. I'm like, okay, that's fine. So I got the business's contact information as well as theirs, and we all were in contact on like a 3-way call and things of that nature. And yeah, so I pulled up to the business and I sold the jacket, $350, quick. That's $250 profit easily. Actually, like $260 because I paid $93, but easy profit, guys, easy profit. And actually, while I was selling the jacket to that person, who pretty much purchased it for the other person, 2 more people at the business they approached me after they saw the person with the jacket, and they want the jacket. And they know the price and everything. They know that it's $350. So I just put those orders in, guys. That's what you see on screen as far as right now. I also have a locked in sales for 2 Moncler jackets. Just flipping them for $150 each. So I can't really complain on that. That's quick profits, as I only paid $100 for both, or less than $100 for both. And I also ordered 2 North Face jackets. Now, as you can see on screen right here, I had, like I just said, I had 2 Moncler jackets, and originally I had 4 Moncler jackets in my cart, 10 North Face jackets, and 3 of the Canada Goose jackets. I have 2 for the 2 people that were at the shop, and they approached me for the jackets for $350 as far as for the Canada Goose. And then for the Monclers, like I said, I already have locked in sales, and then the North Faces were just going to be a test run. Obviously, I knew that deal was too good to be true, and I thought that the price for all of them was going to be around $400 to $500. But as you can see on screen right here, once I went to checkout, it's $890 for the 10 North Faces, the 4 Monclers, and the 3 Canada Gooses. Now that price is still amazing, guys. Don't get it twisted. It's just I didn't have those funds right now as far as to invest that into reselling. But that's what happens as far as Dhgate with shipping. You'll get one price right before checkout, and then you click checkout and the price triples, doubles. So As you see, I dropped down on inventory, and I just stick to 2 North Faces, 2 Monclers, because I have 2 already sold, like they're already locked in sales. And then I chose 3 Canada Gooses because I have 2 pretty much already sold for $350 each. And then I had another guy who wanted the jacket that I just sold today for $350. He wanted me to hold it for him till next week, but I just needed the money. I needed the motion. I needed the money right now. And I was like, as soon as the quicker I make the money, I could just order him another one, and then it'll be here next week. Like I said, it only took 10 days to get here, and that was including Thanksgiving and weekends. So honestly, it was like 7 business days total, and that's not bad at all. Hopefully all three of the jackets, since I ordered them all at the same time from the same vendor, get here at the same time. I have all three of the same jackets are the same ones from the review video. The black jacket with the blue, white, and red label, as I stated before. One is a double XL because that's what one of the people at the shop said they needed, and then one is a size large because the other guy needed a size large. So I'm going to be selling both of those for $700, and then I have another guy who's coming to grab the other size large because I already did the review on it and I had it listed on OfferUp. I'm not even going to take the listing down. He's going to grab that for $300. Yes, it's $50 less. It's actually $75 less than the original listed price, but I can't complain because I'm still tripling my profit. Like I said, I paid $100 for that, and when you buy in bulk, you're paying less than $100. It was actually like $93, like I said, but it's probably like, as you can see on the screen, it was like $56.17, I believe. But I'm gonna flip that, one of them for $300 and 2 for $350 a piece. So that's $1,050 total, guys. $1,050 total off Canada Goose alone. Then I have 2 North Faces coming in and 2 Monclers locked in for $300 a piece. As far as of right now, I think I'm gonna list, even though I have the Monclers already sold, I think I'm gonna list them on OfferUp and Facebook Marketplace as well, just to see how they do as far as messages. A lot of people with buying are flaky, and it's just weird, but I just want to, I'll just let them know, like, hey, the jacket's on the way. As soon as it gets on hand, I'll contact you, blah, 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 and just go from there. But I'm just going to keep the listings posted as far as right now, just so I could, just so people could, I could gravitate more views as far as that. And the jacket's been up for a longer time. And the good thing about an app like Facebook Marketplace is you can renew the listings. It gives you it almost forces you to renew your listing. And as soon as you do that, it just pops it right back up at the top of the feed. So that's great about Facebook Marketplace. OfferUp isn't as valuable as Facebook Marketplace, guys. You could post on OfferUp and some shit could sit there for 2 months, and then you have to scroll through damn near 2 months of clothing just to find a listing. You feel me? Or you have to be searching for listings similar to the item that you're looking for or something like that. But that's the only way on OfferUp, you're really gonna get a lot of views. Facebook Marketplace, you're literally just keep pushing that same item to the top of the feed every day. Sometimes some people are on Facebook when you post, sometimes people are at work, sometimes people are at school. So there's just different things going on. And Facebook pushes your listing because they don't want it to fuck up the marketplace as far as too many items being listed and then a lot of shit just not getting viewed, and then they can't make their ads off their fees off shipping, the money off fees on shipping and shit like that. So it's just messing that type of thing up. That's why they make you renew the listing continuously if you haven't sold the item. Like I said, guys, as far as the Canada Goose, I know that the jacket will be here within most likely 10 to 12 days, and that's including weekends. So I don't know about the Monclers, I don't know about the North Faces, how long those 2 would take to ship, but hopefully it's less than 2 weeks. If not, 14 days isn't terrible. My Moncler buyer isn't really expecting a date. I just hope that I could get it to him before Christmas. That's the goal. With North Face, like I said, this is just an experimental jacket, but you see I have the flashy colorway North Face right there. Multicolor is pretty dope. I'm like, that one could sell for like 200, 250 easily. And I bought 2 for less than 100. So we're gonna see how this goes, guys. Today where I am, it was supposed to snow, and I believe that's the reason I got so many messages. Way like a few weeks ago, 2-3 weeks ago, I had a guest jacket that I was mentioning in my videos, and it was an old jacket that I was using, but I stopped using it, and I was like, I could just, get the money from that and then start reselling. So that's what I did, and it was literally on that day as well. Somebody, like 5-6 people messaged me, like back to back to back though. Like I had like probably 12 messages total in that day, because it was about to snow and people are looking for jackets. So same thing happened today. Like I had so many messages. I had like 8 to 9 messages in a day, but they were rapid, like within like 3 hours, bro. And as resellers, like especially if you're just starting out, like on fresh accounts, no views, no nothing like that, then that's pretty good to have like 8 people messaging you within 3 hours. And then a lot of like with the flaky shit, bro, if the people aren't trying to buy the jacket right away, they're not trying to meet up right away, it's probably gonna be a flake, bro. So just be careful on that. Don't show up to meetups and like without the complete knowledge of the other person being down for the deal or being ready to meet up. But yeah, I just sold the Canada Goose. I paid $93 for it. I sold it for $350, instantly cashed out, right back to Dhgate and cashed out. Like I have like $20 right now, and that's gonna be gas money to continue going to some of these meetups for the next few days. I also still have the colognes on the way, 3 colognes and the Dyson hairdryer. I ordered the Dyson hairdryer first, but I feel like for some reason that's gonna get here last. I believe the 3 colognes should show up tomorrow. If not tomorrow, they'll show up Friday, which I can't complain about. And yeah, we have a lot of inventory coming in. Like I said, as long as you have money, keep inventory coming in. Like I just had like $400 or $500, bro, and like I seen the cash, and like I didn't even think about for a second to hold the cash. Like it was just like it's definite. You already have 4 sales locked in, 2 Monclers, 2 Canada Gooses. You have to go get that product. So that's how your motion should be, guys. Like shit should already be sold before you even order it. That's the best way to have it done. Like I said, this shit should take about 10 business days. I mean, not business days, 10 days for the Canada Gooses. And I already have 3 of them sold. So yeah, 3 of them sold. And 2 for $350 and 1 for $300. And then I got 2 Monclers sold. So guys, I'm excited about that. I didn't show you all any cash or me going to the meetups, because currently, like, the way that this meetup happened, as far as reselling the Canada Goose, it was in a highly populated area with a lot of police and a lot of cars, and it was late at night. So I was just like, there's just too much going on as far as for me to be flashing the cameras and trying to drive and give you all a POV drive and stuff like that. But I will keep you guys updated. Like I said, there is a review video coming out on the Canada Goose jacket. That one, actually this video will be out after that one, so y'all have already seen it. And yeah, stay locked in, stay tapped in, because motion is here. Once again, it's your boy Clout. I'm out. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Everybody says that at the end of their videos. I'm really here to help you make money. As you see, I just put that order in. Let's go.